These are some cool elevators at the MEI-G Sky Club at Minneapolis Airport. Didn't even plan to film this, just planned to go into the club, but looks cool.
Going up. Third floor.
Back to 2. Oh, you actually have like a touch screen. It's kind of cool. I'll do that on the other one. Pretty nice cab. Take this back down, and we'll get the other one up, hopefully. And I'll end it on around 3. Definitely in use.
Second floor.
Let's send you up to 3. It's kind of a cool touch. I think this is a relatively new Sky Club. All right, that's it.